Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster, a powerful and reusable alternative to traditional air cans. If you're looking for a strong, portable, and eco-friendly cleaning solution, this might be the perfect fit. Let's dive in. This air duster is powered by an ultra-fast 300,000 RPM motor, delivering 200 G wind pressure and a top speed of 120 meters per second. That's strong enough to clear dust from keyboards, computers, and other delicate electronics effortlessly. Plus, its 10,000 milliamp hour battery with USB Type-C charging means you won't have to worry about constantly buying and replacing air cans. What sets this duster apart is its versatility. It's not just for electronics. It works as a mini leaf blower, car cleaning tool, snow blower, and even an air pump for inflatables. Whether you need to clean camera lenses, car interiors, or pet hair, this device is up for the task. The new sliding mode design offers precise airflow control with both button and sliding modes, making it easy to adjust the power to suit your needs. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, measuring just 1.35 inches thick and 5.9 inches long, so you can take it anywhere. The Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster is a game changer for keeping your devices and spaces dust-free. Want to try it out? Check the link in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tech review. See you soon!